Hello everyone, so we'll be taking the hairs on the top like this and then fix the colored hairs like this. Now tie all the hairs together and make a ponytail. Now divide the hairs into two parts and tie it from the between using a rubber band like this. Now fold it from the between like this. Now pull out the hairs little bit from the sides as shown in the video after rotating it like this. Now after that fix the hairs into each other and fix it on the top and put a rubber band as shown in the video. Fix it like this. Now divide the hairs into three parts and then make the plaits on the hairs like this. Now after making the plaits on the hairs, fix it properly till the end. Now after that join the hairs and it's done. Next, take the hairs on the sides, tie it on the top like this and put the hairs like this. You can take any color of the hairs and then we'll be tying the hairs like this. Tie it on the top, tie half section of the hairs. Now after fixing the hairs like this, rotate the hairs on the top as well. Now we'll be rotating again using the hair styling tool like this. Now spread the hairs from the between like this and spread it on the top. Now make the plaits on the rest of the hairs like this on the small section as shown in the video. Fix it one by one, follow the same step on the other side and fix it with the hair clip like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top little bit and fix the hairs like this and then we'll be joining the hairs and tie them like this in the small sections. So now make the plaits on the very small sections in the front as shown in the video. Keep tying the hairs as we are tying here. Now follow the same step on the other side and then make a ponytail on the back like this. Now after making the ponytail, divide the hairs. Now make the plaits on the upper section of the hairs like this and tie it with the rubber band and fold it upward like this and again fix it with the rubber band like this. Tie the hairs and then fix a hair bow after making the plaits over it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the side like this and then make the plaits. Fix it carefully as shown in the video and take the hairs from the sides in the small sections and keep joining it like this. Tie it one by one as shown in the video and make the plaits on the hairs. Tie it carefully, keep taking the hairs from the back and the sides and keep joining it to make the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs like this. Now as you can see, we are tying the hairs by taking very small sections and in the equal parts we are taking the hairs. Now take it till the end and then make a high ponytail on the side like this. After folding it, fix it like this. Put the rubber band and tie the hairs. Fix a beautiful hair clip or the bow and then fix the ribbons and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs and put a hair clip like this and take the ribbons on it and then divide the hairs like this and make the plaits. So tie the hairs along with the ribbon and then fix it like this till the end. After fixing the one side, we'll be fixing the other section of the hairs in the same manner like this. Make the plaits with the help of the ribbon. So tie it with the rubber band and then divide the hairs and fix them on the sides like this. Tie the ponytails on the each side and then roll it with the help of the ribbon and tie it like this. Roll it and fix it on the top and it's ready. Thanks for watching a video.